Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN, Tiger Financial News Network. We're broadcasting live today from the Hard Asset Show, the Marriott Marquis, Manhattan. Our guest today, folks, is Charles Main, Chief Financial Officer, Yamana Gold. Trades on the American Stock Exchange is AUY. Charles, welcome back to TFNN.
Thanks very much, Tom. Glad to be here.
Absolutely. So tell us what's going on with Yamana Gold these days.
We've had very busy times. We had 2005. We undertook a lot of transactions, and we were having a very busy year in 2006. We just, on February 28th, completed the acquisition of RNC Gold. On April 4th, we completed the acquisition of Desert Sun. We raised $200 million Canadian this year and repaid our $100 million loan that we had taken out to build the Chapada mine. So it's been busy times, and things have been good for us.
Incredible. Can you just bring the listeners back a couple of years? Because, you know, when I've talked with PD, your chairman, before, Yamana came out of nowhere. All of a sudden, bang. If you can just explain to the listeners how you got the company going in the structure.
Yeah. We're going to celebrate our third-year anniversary this August, so we are a new company. We started back in August 2003. We raised $55 million at that time and bought the Brasileiro mine and some late-stage development projects. Since that time, we've taken those development stage projects, done feasibility studies, done full environmental impact studies, and now we have completed construction of 2 mines and are working on the construction of the 3rd mine, Chapada, when that'll be finished at the end of this year.
Yeah, so you got rid of a lot of the time lag, didn't you? You know, the way I mean, you came in at the end of the structures so you could get them up and going. I mean, is that how you geared this baby up?
Yeah, some of these assets, late-stage projects we bought, they had been through
That's the word I was looking for,
a fair
right.
bit of work and study. So it gave us a kind of a jump as far as getting them up and running.
Yes.
And also, I think it's also attributable to Brazil. Brazil is a country with a lot of history and culture in mining.
Okay.
We've gone through the feasibility studies, and it's a lot quicker than more developed countries. And I think that's helped us do as many things as we have in such a short period of time.
And you are producing, right?
Yes, we are producing. We're expecting to produce around 400,000 ounces of gold this year,
yes,
moving up to 700,000 ounces in 2007 and 800,000 ounces in 2008. And we have a strategic target to reach the million-ounce level by 2008. We have various late-stage projects that are now under feasibility study work. And we announced the Sale Vicente feasibility study results in mid-year this year. That could start construction at the beginning of 2007. One of our exploration projects that we've been working on the last couple of years, C1 Santa Luz, which is in the Ipitacu Greenstone Belt up near our Fazenda Brasileiro mine.
Okay.
Its feasibility study is due to come out beginning of 2007, and that could result in another construction decision as well.
Incredible. What's it like doing business right now in Brazil?
It's very good. As I've said, they have a very long understanding culture of mining. We've not had any backlash against any of our projects and construction. In some of the Latin American countries now we're seeing leftist governments talking about confiscating assets. We're not seeing any of that or hearing any of that type of talk in Brazil. They're very well respected by United States, and if they have trouble in South America, Brazil is often their first port of call to go and talk to the Brazilians and see what they can do maybe to help out.
Yes. It's pretty incredible how you have ramped this company up. There's no doubt about that. You know what's interesting is that when you're building these mines, too, are you having a problem getting any of the resources, meaning the cost structures in place?
I think the cost structure has some pressures on it. In Brazil, we've had no trouble finding labor.
Which is great. That's a big
great.
plus.
We're advertising for positions where we had 22 positions to fill and we had 5,000 applications.
Great.
And I think also as we've grown, become better known in Brazil, we've been received a lot of press in Brazil. We're nominated and received the award for Best Intermediate Gold Producer in Brazil to work for. So I think that helps out when you have an image like that. People want to join you. Success begets success.
No doubt about that.
So I think that we've not had those problems. We're also buying a lot of our equipment materials in Brazil. Their cost structure is a lot lower than more industrialized nations. That helps us keep our operating costs down, and I think it also helps us out as far as supplies. We're running with locally built trucks at our Chapada mine.
Yes.
And they're 35-ton trucks as opposed to running a 240-ton truck. And a lot of people have been having trouble getting tires for those type of bigger trucks.
Sure.
But on these smaller trucks, more conventional, we've not had any problem getting tires and replacing.
And on a
tires.
social level, it's fabulous for the economy down there. I mean, if you or me, if someone else was in our backyard, it'd be great if they were spending that cash flow in your backyard.
Yes.
And then you can feed your families and you can move up that economic ladder.
Yes, I think we bring a lot of economic benefit to Brazil, so it's a win-win situation from that perspective.
Absolutely. Well, listen, Charles, I want to thank you for being with us today. Our guest today, folks, was Charles Main, Chief Financial Officer of Yamana Gold, trades on the American Stock Exchange as AUY. I want to thank you for being with us today. Have a great day. Have a safe day.